Now, the first exercise we will take up, students, based upon the Strasson's matrix multiplication. Consider the first matrix A. Okay, let A be a matrix consist of 2 and 2 as the elements. This is matrix A. Okay, write down as per the matrix conventions. You need to put a square brackets for both the rows and columns. Then second matrix, consider it to be a 3 and 3. First example, I have taken it to be a very simple numbers. Matrix A is of the order 2 cross 2. Matrix B is also of the order 2 cross 2. And we can easily work out using the Strasson's multiplication method here. We no need to divide anything. It is a small problem itself for which we can directly apply the formulas. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the first formula? Formula P is equals to A11 plus
A22.
A22. Yes. Then multiplied by
B11 plus B22.
B22. Okay. Now let's calculate this one. What is A11 here?
2.
2. What is B11? Sorry, A12
2.
is also 2. Then the next one, one is 3. Then B22 is also 3. How much we get the final answer here?
$24.
24. Very good. Then what about the next formula? Q is equals to A22 plus A21 multiplied by
B11.
B11. Again here A22 is 2 and plus 2, then multiplied by 3. How much we get here?
12.
12. Next formula R. R is equals to
A1.
multiplied by B12 minus B22. If you put the values again here, A11 is 2 multiplied by 3 minus 3. How much we get?
0.
0. Next formula, S is equals to A22 multiplied by B21 minus
B21.
B11.
B11.
If you put the values and compute, A22 is 2 multiplied by B minus 3. What is the answer? Again, it is 0. Formula T. T is equals to A11 plus A12 multiplied by B2. A11 is 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3. What is the answer here?
12. 12.
Then the next formula, U equals to A21 minus A11 multiplied by B11 plus B12. How much we get? Final answer here. This is 2 minus 2 multiplied by
3.
3 plus 3 will turn to be a 0. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
First formula phi equals to, it is A12 minus A22 multiplied by B21 plus B22. Again, this is going to be 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 plus. Final answer is going to be again here 0. Okay, so these are the 7 formulas, right? You want me to explain any of the steps here? I don't think so. These are all simple numbers are there, simple values I have taken. Okay, now of the resultant matrix element. The first one, that is C11 equals to what? P plus S minus P plus phi. What is P value?
24.
24. Then minus. What is S value?
0. Plus 0.
0. Then minus T. What is the value of T?
12.
12. Plus phi. Phi is 0. So we get the answer as 12 here. Right? Now, the next one, C12. So C12 is nothing but R. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of R?
0.
0. Then what about T?
12.
So the final
12.
answer is again 12. Next, C21. C21 is equals to, can anyone tell me the formula for C21?
Q plus S.
Q plus S. So Q value is
12.
12 plus S value is 0.
0.
So you get it as again 12.
12.
The last one, C22. So C22 is equals to what?
P plus R minus Q plus U.
R minus Q plus
U.
U. Now, substitute the values for each of these variables. So P is how much? 12, I think, right? Then plus R is 0. Then Q is, I think, 12. And then U is again 0. So you get the answer again as 12. So the final matrix is nothing but 12, 12, 12, and 12. So you write the final step as on the left hand side here, right? Matrix A, that is 2, 2, 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 3, 3, 3 equals to 12, 12, and 12, and 12. In that particular matrix representation, you need to write down the final answer. Multiplied by 3, 3, 12, 12, and here you get it as 3. Just put the square brackets for these 3 matrices. That will give you the final answer. Okay. Now, completed students. This solution, whatever, if you are written in on a rough book, write it later on a fair book. I will give you the theoretical notes about this particular Strasson's matrix multiplication after you write the notes of the theory, and then you can write this exercise as the first one. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to the next one, second one. In the second one, the matrix A, you can just write the heading as multiply the following matrices using Strasson's matrix multiplication method. That can be the question. Multiply the following matrices using Strasson's matrix multiplication method. The first one, A, is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then B is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, solve students this one. Solve the second one. Formulas are with you. Kirti Mayekar. Kirti Mayekar, turn on your mic and tell me the value for P here. How much you get? What is the value of P?
1.
Yes, Kirti. Don't turn off your mic. Keep it on. If you don't respond, then I will remove you from the class. Then you will not be able to join back. Kirti Mayekar.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of P here? What is A11?
4. A111.
Calculate the value of P. If you answer the value of P, then whatever from last 5 classes you have attended, attendance will be given. Otherwise, attendance will be marked as absent for all the previous 5 classes.
48, sir.
48. Check it once again. That is wrong. Pratiksha Kurchi.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of P?
$33.
33. Can anyone else tell me the value of P?
65.
65.
It is 65.
65.
What type of calculation you both are doing?
Sir.
Pratiksha and
Yes, sir.
Kirti, you are in 4th semester, bachelor's degree 4th semester. Can't you properly do the arithmetic operations? Shame on you. You get P as 65. Sanket, roll number 449. Sanket.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of Q? Keep your mic on.
Yes.
What is the value of Q here?
Sir, 40.
40. Check once again.
So
What is
2020.
What is A22?
Sir, 2, sir.
22. A22 means which row, which column? Sanket? A22, this A22 means which particular row and which particular column of which matrix?
Sir, A matrix.
What is the row
Second,
number?
sir.
Answer, Sanket. A22 means what?
Sir, 2, sir.
2. What is the row number? This represents A22 represents which row?
First row, sir. Second.
First row. Then what about A12 means? What if this A22 is first row, second column, then what about this A12? It's again shame on you. Turn off your mic. Shweta, Bagewadi. Shweta Bagewadi. Too much of noise. Swati.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of Q?
Sir, 1 minute.
You have not yet calculated.
Sir, actually, I didn't attend yesterday's classes, so I was figuring out what is this.
Okay. Now you can just find out now what this A11, A22 are means.
Yes, sir.
Matrix elements. Based upon that, tell me the answer of Q.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Anurag, 494.
Yes, sir.
The answer of R. The next one.
R.
R.
One, two. So -2, sir.
-2. Good. What did you find out?
Sir, yes.
How much?
Sir, 35.
$558. Mansi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the value of S.
8.
Yes, correct. Anushka. Anushka Kulkarni.
Sir, 1 minute.
Value of T. Karan.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
And tell me the value of U.
Sir, can you show me the values of A?
Values of
A.
U, I am asking you, no?
No, sir, but I have to calculate, right? That is, I have to check the values of A.
You have to calculate U. Can't you calculate U?
Sir.
Yes, Anushka. What is the value of T?
Sir, T.
T is how much?
Sir, 24.
24. That's correct. Current value of U.
Sir, sir, show me the values of A, sir. Sir, go on top.
Hmm.
Okay. 4 minus 8 to 1.
Sweetie,
Yes, sir.
tell the value of last one, that is V.
11.
11. I don't think so. It is 11. Check once again.
Sir, I got 11.
That's what you got 11. That 11 is incorrect. So find out once again with the proper values and tell the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Karan, did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Is it difficult?
I'm getting confused, sir.
You are getting?
Confused.
22, sir.
So describe your confusion.
So I'm not able to identify the values based on the expression.
What is
Sir,
A11? Sorry, what is A21? Which row, which column?
Second row, first column.
What is there in second row, first column?
3.
Substitute the values.
Okay, 3. 3 minus.
Don't be so stupid. Okay, don't be so stupid to tell that yourself that you are getting confused. If someone else, they can tell getting confused, I can accept, not you,
22, sir.
Karan.
22.
Yes. How much you said?
22, sir.
22. Students, other students, is that correct? Is this correct? P equal to 22?
No, sir.
Just don't tell the answer. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, sir.
Work it out once again, sweetie.
U is equal to 22, sir.
It's incorrect.
U is equal to.
Sorry. U is equals to 22 is incorrect. It's wrong.
Sir.
Minus 22.
So once again, I think you I have told for Karan and V for Sweetie. Sweetie, you are supposed to tell me the answer of V.
Sir, minus 20.
Minus
22.
22. Other students, just tell whether it is correct or incorrect.
Incorrect, sir.
It is incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yes, Sweetie. Find out once again.
Sir, I thought my formula is wrong.
Your formula is here itself on the screen.
AO.
A,
Formula, both the formulas are here itself, U and V. Karan.
Yes, sir. So, can you show me the values once again, sir?
Write it down somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very simple. Even 5th grade student can understand this one. And you are such a stupid, you can't remember the numbers and formulas and substitute them. This video is going to be uploaded the same way onto the YouTube channel.
sir,
Yes, Sweetie.
V is minus 30.
Minus 30. Is it correct, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Karan.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I'm calculating. Sir, 24. Sir.
24. Is that correct? 24?
No, sir.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong. So these type of exercises questions will be there in your IA. It is not going to be simple for you. It is going to be difficult for you. The questions which I am going to take are not from the notes which I have solved during the classes. All the questions, all the time complexity, all the space complexity, everything are going to be out of the notes. If you have understood the concepts, then only you will be able to answer for that. Keep it in mind. Can anyone tell me what is the value of U? Because your friends
Minus
Karan did not find out it.
22.
22.
20.
Now how much you get C11? Anyone?
19.
19, sir.
9.
That's correct. C12,
22.
22.
correct. C21,
43.
43. C22,
50.
50. That's correct. So at the last, after this, write down the both the matrices on left hand side A and B, and on the right hand side of the equal to sign, write the matrix C with the proper values 19, 22, 43, 50. The third example, completed student, is this done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Matrix A is 3 minus 2 and 6. Matrix B, -1 minus 4. In exam, even if you are getting a question for the final exam, then it will be something like this with negative numbers. So if you can solve such type of an examples or the problems, then it will be easy for you to solve in the exam. 3 minus 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4. Start solving. I can ask randomly any student. Vanita, roll number 554, Vanita. Tell the value of P. Roll number 538. Shweta Bongale.
Yes, sir.
Tell the answer for Q.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. The -5.
Yes, Vanita. How much you said?
The -5.
-5. I don't think so. That is correct answer.
Yes, sir. -5 P value.
Someone, can anyone try to solve?
-18.
-18.
-18.
-18. Students, is the screen visible to you again or has it gone?
Yes, sir. It's
Sir, it's
visible.
Shweta Bangale, what is the value of Q?
Sir, 22.
22. Is that correct, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Arpita Poddar,
Yes, sir.
tell the value of R.
21.
21. Is that correct, students?
21.
Yes, that's correct. Roll number 432, Pooja.
Yes, sir.
The value of S.
So minus 18.
Minus 18. Students, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 18.
Yes,
That's
sir.
correct. Next. T. Pranay. 436.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of T, Pranay?
Sir. Sir, will you show that matrix, please, sir? Two, 3.
Likhita. 419.
Yes, sir.
The next one, U. Calculate.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes. 8, 3. B30, B20.
Saurabh.
So minus 30.
Minus.
30.
No, that's wrong.
24.
Sir.
So minus 24.
Yes, Likhita, tell the value of U.
10, sir.
Yes, that's correct.
So minus 24.
Minus 24. Is that correct, students?
No, sir.
No, it is
No, sir.
incorrect.
No, sir.
It is incorrect. Saurabh, did you get the value of P?
So calculate.
Calculate. Yes, Pranay. Can someone?
Sir, plus 1.
Yes. Repeat once
Plus
again.
4.
No. That's wrong. It's very simple. Anyone else can tell the value of T?
Sir, minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Plus
Minus 4.
Is the correct answer.
So minus
Saurabh?
4 and minus 1 is equal to plus 4, no, sir?
Okay, let's solve it if there are confusions. Okay. Pranay, tell what is the value of A11?
113, sir.
3, right? Then plus A12
Minus 2, sir.
minus 2, right? Then multiplied by B22. So B22 is how much?
B22 minus 4, sir.
Minus 4.
4.
Correct? Now,
Sir.
which is the operation you have to perform first? This one. So what is the
Fine.
answer of this?
3 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1, sir. Minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to plus 4, sir.
Come on. 3 minus 2 is how much?
1.
Sir, but minus 2 is there, no, sir? Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4
One
plus
second.
4.
1 second. First, you tell the answer of this. Don't proceed further. Just tell the answer of this.
Minus 1, no, sir.
Minus 1. You have 2 apples and your best friend takes. You have 3 apples and your best friend takes 2 apples. How many you
So we have
remain?
to subtract 3 from 2.
3.
No.
You perform anyway, no? You perform 3 minus 2 or minus 2 plus 3. It is going to be same answer. 3
So 3
minus
is
2.
better, no. If you are disturbing 3 from 2, it will be minus 1, no, sir.
3 minus 2 is what?
1, sir.
1, right? Now,
Sir.
minus 2 plus 3 is what?
1, sir.
1. So where does that minus 1 came from?
Sir, there are 2 signs, no.
Where there are 2 signs? In this,
Plus, minus, minus, no, sir.
see, plus, this is the addition. Minus 2, you have to recollect your additions, Baba. I will not teach you now additions and subtractions. So 3 plus minus 2 is going to be 1. 1 multiplied by 4 minus 4 is going to be minus 4 itself.
Sir.
Okay. Saurabh, did you get the final answer of V?
Yes, sir. 40.
How much?
40.
40. Is that correct, students? Is
Yes,
V equal
sir.
to 40? Is that
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now quickly tell me the value of C11.
8, sir.
8. C12.
17.
17. C21.
4, sir.
C22.
C21, 4, 4.
C22. Nobody has calculated C22.
Sir, minus 9.
Minus 9.
Minus 9. That is correct. So if the elements are 1, 2 multiplied by, 1 second, let me try to write it. Then you are going to get the values as 8. Then this is 17. Here it is, I think, 3, 4. And here it is going to be 7 and 8. Sorry. I put the wrong values here. Sorry. So the values of A, B are going to be these. Just write down, students. 3 minus 2, 5, 6 multiplied by 2, 3 minus 1 minus 4. And then the final answer. B minus 2 multiplied by here 2 and 3, and then the answer is going to be 8, 17, and the second rows are 5, 6, and minus 1 minus 4. The final answer of the second row, 4 minus 9. Okay, now the problem with the students' challenges in this particular algorithm or the method is really remembering those particular formulas. Okay, if you remember the formulas and if you go in at the time of calculation, if you make any mistakes, like a silly mistakes in calculating these values and all, then your answer is going to be incorrect. And During the exam, we will not only look into the final answer, but we will look into the intermediate steps, because most of the we have seen that at the during the exam, most of the students, what do they do is that if the matrix is given like this, they will just apply the simple formulas, the conventional or the traditional formulas, and then they will retrieve at the solution, and in middle something they will write, and the final answer they will write. For such students, just 1 mark is given out of 5. If the intermediate results of these P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are incorrect, then even if you write the answer by calculating using the traditional method, then you will get not full marks, only you will get 1 mark. So remember that. Okay, now coming back to your examination, that is first IA. Syllabus for you is first unit and the second unit till whatever today we have studied. That is, actually we have completed second unit by today. All the concepts of second unit have been completed. You have the notes of all these things, I think, except selection sort, right? You have the notes of all the concepts, isn't it? Students, have I shared the quick sort notes? Did I share it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quicksort is also shared. Then the matrix, you are going to get the solve problems itself. You are not going to get any theory questions on the matrix. So if this is also covered here, so you will definitely get a question on this matrix multiplication, and also you are going to get the question on selection sort. Okay, selection sort, we have worked upon the problems, how to solve them. You will again get the problems only, and those problems, if you have missed the classes, the videos are available on YouTube. Go and refer to the videos. So syllabus for you for first IA is going to be unit 1 and unit 2. The questions are not going to be straightforward questions. Lot of programmatic concepts will be there. The algorithms will be given, and you will be asked to find out the complexity, space complexity, time complexity, and I have ensured that none of the problems which we have solved during the classes are taken as part of your questions. It's all different problems. Pass this information to your friends if they are thinking that the questions will be very easy, everything is given in the notes and you will get the questions from the notes itself. No, you are not going to get the questions from notes. Now you will find the heat of DA. Believe me, it is going to be difficult for you. If there are any questions you want to ask me, you can. I will wait for 1 minute. If I get certain any questions, I will answer to that. Otherwise, I will conclude the class. Any doubts, any questions? I hope I am audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. No doubts.
So whatever clarity or clarification you need, if you have any doubts related to any of the concepts, go on to the YouTube videos, look for the class, that particular concept. Okay, understand and then solve your doubts. Fine.
Yes, sir.
I'm concluding the class here.